An EPD is a third-party verified report that describes the environmental impact of the product across its life cycle. So everything from raw material to manufacturing to the use of the products and then the end of life of the product. For us, it's about transparency. It helps customers make data-driven decisions for procurement and green building decisions. And for us as a company, we get valuable insights in how our products affect the global warming potential of the product. So over the past year, we have significantly progressed. We have now a dedicated team and processes in place for creating EPDs, and it has become a lot quicker with more EPDs on the way. It starts with a life cycle assessment where we gather information on raw materials and manufacturing and everything to the end of life of the products, where we collect information on how our products are processed in the later stage. EPDs are currently being used in a lot of green building certifications and in procurement processes. It has become more from a nice to have to a requirement from our customers. EPD plays a central role in our climate targets. It helps us collect the data we need to be able to see where in our products we can improve our emissions. They also help us making better design choices, engaging with suppliers, and help our customers make lower their embodied carbon footprint in their buildings. So for us, our EPD program is not only about reporting, it's helped us support our long-term sustainability strategy.